Hi, this is Dr. Bharadwaz. I am CEO and Chief Doctor at Fidicus Homeopathy. Today we will discuss on anatomy and physiology. Anatomy means normal structure of your lumbar spine. Physiology means the function of your lumbar spine. To understand this disease further, you have to understand anatomy and physiology a bit, that is from the perspective of lumbar spondylosis. Basically, the vertebral column is made up of vertebra. Vertebra is a individual bone. In the lumbar region or your lower back, there are 5 vertebra that is forming your spine. There are 5 vertebra, and these 5 vertebra are placed one below the other, and in between 2 vertebra there is a cushion like structure or a thick cushion like structure made of cartilage known as disc. So along with this, each vertebra will be attached to another vertebra through facet joints. There is a small space or opening between 2 vertebrae. This is known as intervertebral foramen. From this foramen, the nerves comes out of the spinal cord. The vertebra has a hole in it, a space in it where the spinal cord runs. The spinal cord starts at the brain and it runs through the complete spine. At each intervertebral foramen, there will be nerves coming out of the spinal cord. These nerves are known as spinal nerves. Apart from this, there are a good number of muscles supporting your lumbar spine, where these muscles are attached to your lumbar spine through tendons, and there are also a structure known as ligament that will be attaching to vertebral bones. These are all the common structures you have around your spine. And you have to know something about the disc. Disc is a modified cartilage that is present in between 2 vertebra. There are 2 parts on the disc. The central part is known as nucleus pulposus. This is a gelatinous part. It is full of water, and outer part of the disc is known as annulus fibrosus. This is a fibrous part. This is thick. Spinal cord starts at the brain and runs throughout the vertebral column. The space where the spinal cord runs is known as vertebral canal. Spinal nerves comes out of the small openings in between 2 bones. This space is known as intervertebral foramen. And coming to the physiology, the multi-jointed spine or multi-bone spine, which is attached through intervertebral disc. This is the important structure which is helpful in the movement of the spine, where you can bend forward, you can extend backward, you can bend left side and right side, and also you can rotate your trunk. All these are possible because this is a multi joint. It is not a single joint, it is made up of multiple joints, and the disc in between these 2 vertebra acts as a shock absorber. When you jump, run, walk, anything you do, it will act as a shock absorbent, and it's a cushion in between your 2 vertebra.
Fidicus Homeopathy.